If you are wondering if we have a memory card slot on the Realme GT 7T, then the answer is unfortunately no. You cannot use microSD card on this phone. So this is the SIM tray, and as you can see, we have dual SIM. It is possible to use two SIM cards at the same time. However, it is not possible to fit the memory card in. So here I have my example memory card. This is microSD card, and as you can see, in terms of the size, it is pretty much the same size as the whole SIM tray, so there is no way to use it. And of course, usually it is indicated on the SIM tray itself that you can use the memory card, but not here. So if you want to use the memory card, then you have to use some sort of memory card reader. I have my example memory card reader over here. It has USB-C, so I can connect it to the phone and I can use this one as an additional storage for my phone. Of course, the size is quite huge, so it is quite inconvenient for daily use. There are much smaller memory card readers, but they can still be quite inconvenient to use, of course, on a daily basis. However, this is the general idea, that we can insert our memory card into the memory card reader, and then we can use the USB-C cable in order to connect to our phone, and this is how we can use memory card, and this is the only way. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.